Hello, everyone. You're all here because you've been found to be selfish people, and I want to play a game.
What's going on here?
You've all been injected with a fast-acting poison, but don't worry. I provided an antidote on a coaster to your right. Only in one glass, though.
Oh God, how do we know who gets it?
I should get it. I'm a mom. Okay, hang on. Let's take a moment to think about this. We're here because we're selfish.
Right.
Maybe if we share the antidote, we'll all live?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it tastes like Jaeger.
You've passed your first test together and are on your way to freedom. Now, to the next test. There's a time bomb somewhere in... Wait, aren't you going to put it back on the coaster?
No.
Why didn't you put it on the coaster? I had a coaster there for a reason.
I don't know. I didn't really think about it.
Are my boys all right?
This is exactly why you're all here. You're inconsiderate jerks.
You should have said to put it back on the coaster.
It was on a coaster. It's implied the glass should go back on the coaster once you're done.
Jeez.
Wipe off the condensation that the glass left, otherwise it'll leave a mark.
It's not gonna stain it. It's a fold-out table.
It's a $150 West Elm foldable accent table.
$150? That's too much. It looks so overused.
That's what it's supposed to look. Never mind, just wipe the damn table. As I was saying, there's a time bomb somewhere hidden in your room, and
I'm scared.
Can I finish? Can I finish?
Hey, I'm not scared.
I'm just gonna finish! Somewhere in the room is a bomb rigged to explode. The only way to disarm it is to admit a dark secret you all have in common.
Well, I had a hit and run.
Oh yeah, me too actually.
Guys, I have goosebumps because I also had a hit and run. Okay. We say hit and run. These gem puzzles are so easy. I bet even August and James could do it. They're my boys.
Don't speak too soon, for the final puzzle is a gas to experience. Small traces of poison enter the... Well, I just sneezed.
Okay.
You're excused.
Bless you?
Oh, I'm an atheist. And a mom.
We know, just say bless you.
It's too late now.
There isn't a time limit, you all have no idea what's important.